throughout the day, there was a lot of tactical strategies that, with the balance of speakers, is that people get the long term as well.
Knowledge. Hopefully everyone will go away thinking I learned something today that I can use.
Education and learning.
Cost-effective approach in marketing.
I heard somebody say at the end of the day they can't wait to get back to the office because they got so many ideas and things that they can action to make their businesses better tomorrow.